Okay, so I don't really remember where I was, but kind of just making it up anyways, so let's try and take this guy off. I'm seeing so many bolts that are missing that should probably be installed. And nuts, I suppose, not just bolts. Also nuts. I have help coming, so if I could get the hood off tonight, that would be sweet. Because I can't do that by myself. I don't have enough hands. Everything's so sticky with silicone. Like, what is this deal? Why are you like that? Everything just sticks to it. Come on, man. There's a party in the truck bed. Where do you want to go? All the other spare parts are hanging out there. Here we go. Doing coolant lines last because I don't want to deal with the mess yet, I guess. But it's like, at this point, everything is going to make a frickin' mess. So that's fun. And the starter line, I guess I just take off at the starter. And this alternator one, I'll just take off at the alternator. That way all that stuff can stay with the truck. I don't need it in my way. But what do we do about this big ass harness? Is there a connector for that shit? I don't know. How do you even take this jobby off? Is it clear yet that I have no idea what I'm doing? Come on, man. It's like a 1/4 inch too long. Hello? Hello? That's way faster. There's just like so much stuff unplugged on this truck, it's completely ridiculous. Like, what is this guy? What is this? There's a 3-wire right here, just chilling. I don't know. What do you do? Who knows? Nobody knows. Okay, so I guess I have to pull all of the wires off of the engine. It's freaking stupid. I hate it. Okay. Dudes need to like stay over there. Because you're irritating. Metal chestnut. Do something a little bit different with some things in here. Next time, when it all goes back together. If it all goes back together. I had to take the evap purge solenoid off of the intake manifold in order to install an intake air temp sensor into the intake manifold, because the intake temperature changes when you pressurize the air, which is after the MAF, which is where the intake air temp sensor was. So it can't be there anymore. What the deuce? What's holding this harness? Magic? Who even knows what that does? Oh, it holds the throttle cable thingy.